What's up, everybody? It's Circus Does Stuff. In today's video, we will be showing you this timer. I think it's a CS timer. Like, we will be doing some solves, like with these Rubik's cubes, and with this one, this timer. Okay, guys, should we begin with 2x2 or 3x3? 2, 1, go. Okay, now I need to fix this layer. Oh my, I solved it in maybe 3 years. Just joking. It's okay. Okay. Ah, it's not a good time. 25.70. Not a bad for this cube. This one, say maybe a little more than 40 seconds, 50 maybe. Okay, you guys, comment down below how much seconds you think it will take, or minutes, to solve this Rubik's cube. Fun fact, I solved it about 300 times. Nothing changed. Expect. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, okay, guys, I did not get a +2, right? Guess the time. Guess the time, you guys. Okay, if you said, okay, I know it shows on the top of the screen, but it's 55 seconds. 55. Okay, Mike. Sorry, you guys. I was like trying to beat it. I was like so close. 23.96. Okay, I beat this one. Good. The 3x3. You guys are putting pressure on me. 55 seconds. Don't know. Wait, no, off. Oh, let me get scrambled over here. No, let me make this fair, not the deep one. Oh, this is a good pair. I don't think I don't know yet. I'm not taking at a time, you guys. One second. Over a second. Am I happy? No. That was a very bad solve. Guys, let's go get my 4x4. I came back. This cube. This cube's giving me disasters. Big disasters. Oh yeah, I brought some cool friends with me. Okay, this cube, it's impossible, bro. How am I gonna solve it, you guys? If I get 500, if I get 100 likes on this, I will be attempting to solve this, and I won't end the video until I solve it. It gets 100 likes by the end of July. Okay? Because then there'll be no time. No such thing. Okay. Let's try this shiny cube. But let's hope that we get the faster time. Oh my gosh, everything's greedy. Yep, that's orange. That's not red. Oh my. How you solving this? Okay, this cube might be harder. Oh my. I barely can see anything, you guys. It is so... Okay. The worst time I ever got. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 0.992. This cube was hard, you guys. This cube is pretty hard. Okay, let's try the original. Okay, I was just making sure. Worked. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh, it's actually slow. I'm actually zooming though. Hopefully, I don't know if I am. Big fail. 1.2. A little bit better than the cube. Okay. That's it for today's video, you guys. If you guys are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.